all hamburger juice. It's your boy, Smoke Screeners Prime. I'm here. Alright fam, let's talk about a couple of things, a 2-for-1 baby. We're going to talk about Astrobots and the Tarantula Drones that falls in the same line. The Astrobots, as you can see, is this one particular figure that I've turned to mech suits for the Joes. I got 4 of these bad boys, and I want to say that these figures turned out great. We're going to talk a little bit about the Astrobots, and then I'm going to go into the drones. But I wanted you to get a good look at how this bad boy is while he's hitting you with the slow motion. But yeah, fam, so here we go. Okay, so first off, this is what it looks like. You gotta forgive me, I accidentally messed it up. Didn't realize I didn't have another box, so this is how it looks. Astrobots, of course, is coming from overseas. Alright, so first thing I want to do is a size comparison. Of course, I took off the Tarantula Drones / Wasp. So let's do a couple little size comparisons so you can see why I feel this is the perfect mech suit for the Joes in between, not the big ones. But here's a size with major blood. And here's another little bigger figure with Destro. Now here's him next to a bigger figure, the new Roadblock, and as you can see, it takes him up a little bit. Alright, so here's Beachhead, who's kind of like a standard size type of figure, and look how much bigger the suit is with the standard size. So by popping the heads off and putting them on and making them mech figures, gives them the size that's needed to combat these guys. So here's, one of the bats, and you can see the size difference, and I'm cool with that. The bats are, robots, so the Joes need something so they can put some serious hurt on the bats. I'm very pleased with these guys. I'm going to show you some other reasons why the posability is outstanding. So this is no wires, as you can see. He's just up there. And, just look at this fam. He's spinning around, got this pose like it ain't nothing. Just look at that. And then if you really want to look, I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to let you see how. Not even zoom in. Just look right here. His heel is off the ground. And he's doing the slow motion. Like it ain't nothing. Fingers spread out. Just a awesome figure. That in itself should let you know that this thing has a lot of posability and it worked great with how the classified is. Here's another pose showing you the flexibility that this guy has, but of course the one before is obvious enough. But so that you understand and see, I'm going to show you what the head and everything look like before I put this Joe head on. And then I'm also let you know what I use to customize it. So here's the head, and all I did was I heated up the body, and then for like about a minute I used a blow dryer. I'm not the body, but I heated up the head area, used a blow dryer, and then I went to the back and I slid this in a little bit, popped it open, and for the most part it's still good to go. I can still put the head back on. So here's the head, the body, and it has a light bulb in there. You find the right battery and the eyes will light up. I'm pretty sure it'll still light up because the bulb is there. And if I want to, let's see, take it, I can pop it on like that. So if I want to, still good to go if I want to use it for something else. So with me, everybody has the different things that they use when they're popping heads off and make stuff make them stay on and whatnot. All I did was I just took some Play-Doh, fam. I had some Play-Doh. Took it, put it in there, and since that light bulb is there, you know, I in there pushed it down. Oh, and it holds the way I want to, and so it's all good. So that's that part. So now I want to talk about one of the drones. It's a spider and a wasp drone. I can't remember exactly which one this is, fam, but this particular drone, they're awesome as well. I'm gonna show you both versions, and there's a lot of posability, I should say, as well. As you saw in the beginning, he had a lot of gear on, and then another thing that's cool, you pop that piece off, you fold this out like that, and you got a weapon, fam. You got another weapon. So as you can see, well, that's how it looks without it, but coming around, he has his weapon right here that popped off from the drone. And look at that, fam. Don't that look good? Now remember, he already had weapons, blasters right here. So this in itself is that's just cool right there, fam. Look at that. That's just cool. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like when you put the pack back on. So here's how the back looks. And what you would do if you had to put the battery in, you would just slide that down and put the battery in. But see, when you get these drones, they give you another cover. Here's the one that comes with the drones. You can see the difference. And so what you do is you take this piece here, put it in here, and you slide it up. And the reason why you slide it up is because there are pieces on the drone. So on the drone, there's a piece right here that's going to, upside down. Sorry. Yeah, there's pieces that's going to hook right here, up here. And then this piece here, this piece right here is going to go here. So, alright, here we go. So take it. Here's that piece. It's gonna go there. You see it hook there. And then that piece you can see goes there. I'm gonna adjust these a little bit so that makes it easier. Alright, so I'm gonna have these up. And I want these low just to spread them out some. Let's say, okay, I'm gonna hook you there, hook you there. So this is the tarantula drone. Sorry about that. But this is the tarantula drone. You can see it can go on your back as it hooks. You can take multiple pieces off, as you can see. This piece right here looks just like this or this, and it was right here. I'm gonna show you again how you can snap it off. Also, this piece moves up and down and it can come off. There's another weapon. So well, before that, I'm just gonna show you how it just comes off. You can just pop it off just like that. There you go. Move that out the way. He's rotating again, coming back around. That's one of the arms. So I'm going to show you how you take this off. Just open that up. Move him to the side there. This one of the weapons. You push that in, close it up. Get the tarantula. It has a piece right here. Clip that on. And it has this piece. Then you could also take that off, take that off. It has pieces in here, clips right there. Clip that on. Let's see. And you clip that on. As you can see, it's pretty cool right there. It has, you know, one arm that was right here, another arm right here, that was right there. Again, those are the grooves to put them in. You know, looks awesome. Here's some weapons from the wasps. Let you see how it's a little different than the tarantula. So letting you see the close-up look of the wasp. I'm sorry, not the tarantula. This one is the wasp. So let's take a look at how the drone looks and how it differs from the tarantula. One thing I forgot to mention, on the other one, the tarantula, you can bend these pieces right here. I guess you can call them the feet. You can bend these so it can, you know, be up higher, or you can have them flat as well. So here's a roundabout look. So you can see the subtle differences in the wasp and the tarantula. You can see that the guns are a little different. The body is basically the same. Not much difference going on here. So this piece here is the same. Just like the other one, to where you can hook it on the back. So here's both of them together. The wasp and the tarantula. Now, I have the legs kind of positioned with the weapons underneath here. Try to make space so you can see them both with the turn. But again, these are great additions to what you want to do with the classified. So this is my mech suit squad along with the wasp and the tarantula drones. Check it out, Astrobots. These guys are great. Oh, let me show you a picture of what the cover for the tarantula and the wasp the Wasp drone look like. So you can see it also says 1/12 scale collectible figures by Toy Notch, but as you can see, it fits with these guys, so check them out. So here's the box, so you can get a look at the Tarantula drone and the Wasp drone. Let you see the side again for Astrobots, and here's the back, telling you what is what. And you get some ideas of how it goes, the jetpack, salt mode, stuff like that, Wasp mode. Let you see AO3. Once again, that's the front. So if you're looking for some firepower, make sure you get one of these guys, the mech suits, that the Astrobots for your Joes, and the Tarantula or the Wasp drones for the Astrobots as well line. So, like a fat kid in dodgeball, I'm out, baby, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Yo, Joe, Cobra.